Whakaalo whātuma kau. Hello. My first video, I'm going to show you the gym I'm going to. I'm going to train legs. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Here we go. So here I'm on the leg extension. Just warm up here. I'll do maybe 3-4 sets just to get going. Get the quads going. This muscle here is called the quads. Leg extension, change that. So next, I'll get leg press and then finish off with some squats maybe. We'll see. Hey, I'm on the leg press machine now. So I'll do 20 reps. 20 reps in 5 sets. So overall 20 reps, 5 sets, hopefully 100 reps, but I'll increase the weight. So yeah, leg press. 1, 2. Alright, finished leg extensions, leg press. Now I'm onto the squats. Here's a squat. Won't be going heavy because I don't have a spot. So we'll just keep light reps, trying to eat lightweight, trying to keep 20 reps. Okay. Pretty hard to record yourself in these squats, so I need a camera person. If you're interested, leave a comment. Alright, that's my leg workout finished. Yeah, this is the man himself.
One lot of squats and you're done.
Nah, that's Jordan. You're the champ, eh? What? The pancreas. Pancreas. Check this guy out. He's the man. Alright, Jordan, we'll catch you later, bro. And that's it. Now I'll go home and try and cook a healthy meal. Don't believe what that guy said. I did my leg press, leg extensions, and squats 10. But yeah, if you got any questions about working out, just leave a comment. You know, if you want any tips. Alright, see you at dinner. Alright guys, I'm home now, finished the leg workout, time for dinner. Here we have, we got, what's that, salmon, edamame beans, capsicum, carrot and rice. I'm gonna have just put Best Foods mayo. Usually I use the Japanese mayo, but it's all finished. We got some what's in this? Salty peppers. Alright guys, almost finished dinner. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Koe kia. Alright, dessert time. Made some scones. A lot of Niueans love their scones, eh, Ari?
Yeah.
Present any of these to a Niuean, put some cream on it and butter.
Then have this one untouched.
Yeah.